Alright, y'all, we just watched the movie The Lobster from 2016. It was a rated R movie that was 1 hour and 59 painful minutes long. It is a dark comedy, which I disagree with.
Well, yeah, online it says it's a romantic drama, for what I'm reading here. So I don't know why they're calling it a pitch black comedy.
I would say more romantic drama than a dark comedy.
Yeah. Like,
okay, the premise of this is, in this pitch black comedy, single adults must find a romantic partner within 45 days or be transformed into an animal of their choosing. Yeah, this was stupid. It was slow. It was stupid. The acting was fine. I was surprised to see so many recognizable performers in it. So I thought the casting was done well, but it's just the story. There were so many things that were stupid. So many things. I would have to say that this would be a 1 out of 5 star.
Yeah, this is my first 1 star.
I don't do that often.
Is
Y'all
there
know.
0
Y'all
star?
know.
Is there a 0 star option? Cause
it's 1 out of 5.
Oh,
so
1 out of 5.
1
okay,
being
sorry.
the low. I would have to give this a 1 star. I mean, I'll link this movie below, and y'all can check out the trailer and stuff. But yeah, this was really, 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 really stupid. Like, surprisingly bad. So yeah, it's not one that I would recommend. If you have seen The Lobster, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't seen it, I would say save yourself 1 hour and 59 minutes. Unless you like really, 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 really obscurely weird for no fucking reason movie, I would say you could skip this one and you'd probably be fine. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!